Yeah. Welcome to Niger Live Studio, and of course, my name is Akinboboye Olufemi Sunday. I am going to be your host. Today in the studio, I have a media personnel, and talking of the CEO, 5G Studios, with me in the studio. I'll be right back. See you on the other side. Welcome back to the studio. Well, you are welcome.
Thank you very
nice
much.
To have you on this show.
Thank you,
and can we meet you?
Alright, my name is Joshua Esek, a graduate of computer science.
Good.
And with over 10 years banking experience
Wow.
as an IT expert.
Wow. That's beautiful. Wow. Come to think of it, you having 10 years experience in banking industry, and you are a computer graduate. That's, how did you find yourself in media industry?
Alright, actually there's some aspect people know about me, which is something I do as a leisure, which is music. I love music a lot, and this is what actually drives my vision, as in my passion into media.
Okay. You are into music. You're being into music, or you are into music rather.
I'm into music.
What aspect of music do you involve yourself?
Actually, like what we call musicians. I love gospel music a lot. I play the musical instruments, guitar, keyboards, and all that. These are what I do for pleasures and all that.
I like that. All right. You are the CEO of 5G Studios. What is this company into?
Yeah, 5G Studios is into media production.
Okay.
And this vision came in when I did a musical album.
All right.
And it was selling over couple of stations.
Wow.
But I had a challenge which I wanted to shoot a music video for it. And when I contacted one or two people that shoot, like outlets that shoot musical video, and they told me some kind of amount that the thing just killed my vision. It was just audio alone. And I took it upon myself. I said, for this, I'm going to go into media production, whereby it will be able to assist so many young ones who have that aspiration to do musical video. And this is what 5G Studio is all about. Away from the wedding events and all that, covering documentary and all that.
That you're doing as well.
Yeah, that's what 5G Studios does. But basically, they want to go more into music production, musical video. That's very lovely.
Wow, that's so interesting. And when you were talking the other time, then you mentioned that you did an album, before you now have a challenging of shooting a video, for the album. Can you tell us more about it? What is the name of the album? How many tracks do you have?
The album have close to 9 tracks.
Oh my God!
And it was born out of the passion I have for music, basically. And the title of the album was One God.
One God.
One God.
That's beautiful. How did you get your inspiration?
Wow, over the years, music is just something that gives me sanity. What they say, music is life. So this is just what I love doing. You understand? So that is how I find myself doing music, but not for living, but just for the pleasure of it.
For the passion.
Yeah, for the passion.
All right. If I may ask, what are the biggest achievements that you have as a media journalist?
Wow. So far so good. For 5 years now, I've been into media, and one of my biggest
5 solid years.
Yeah, 5 solid years, and one of my biggest achievements, which I cannot even mention because I believe I've not done it yet.
Really?
Yes, I've done a lot, but my biggest achievement is still yet to come. But for now, the few ones I can mention is my trip to the United Arab Emirates.
Wow, UAE.
UAE. It has been a wonderful experience whereby I was able to achieve a lot, covering the Ramadan 2019 activities, their lifestyle, and the culture and style of the United Arab Emirates. Also the UAE Boxing Federation.
Wow.
I was able to cover that too, and I did even the football club too here in the UAE, and done a lot of series of documentaries about the culture of UAE.
That's very good. And that shows that you are more international in the media journalism.
By the grace of God.
And where do you see yourself in this job? couple of years?
Where I see myself, like 5G Studios as a brand,
Yes,
it's
correct.
going to be an household name in the world entirely, not even Nigeria. So that is where we see ourselves in a few years to come. What I say, few years, in the next few years to come,
Sure.
5G Studio is going to be a
It's
household
gonna
name.
take over.
By the grace of God.
I like that. I like that. Wow, that's very great. And I have this question for you. You know, having reading your most recent update, you made mention about a major transformation for all progressive Nigerian youth in the music industry. Can you please share with us what is all about this?
Yeah, that's true. I'm speaking from my introduction concerning how I came to do my album and the challenges I faced. So this is a very good news to every progressive Nigerian youths that are into music and entertainment. 5D Studios is there to help them achieve a lot, especially those ones that they have that passion, they have the vision to do musical video and they don't have the resources. This is what our vision is all about, to help every aspiring what is it called, youth in the musical industry.
Who have the talent?
Who have the talent, yeah, those who have the talent.
You know, we have a lot of Nigerians, younger ones, youths who have a lot of talent, but they don't have the right person to help them
and the necessary support.
and the necessary correct.
This is what 5G Studio is all
Wow,
about.
this
We
is
are in
beautiful.
there to give them that support. If actually a musical video would cost them $1 million plus, we'll be able to do that professional, perfect job for them with an amount they can afford, an affordable amount,
wow.
as low as below 200,000.
Wow. Well, I pray that God will continue to help your vision. All right, having you traveled to United Arab Emirates, and you have seen a lot of things, you have experienced a lot of things, especially in the media industry. How do you think the press freedom it is over there?
Well, it has been a very wholesome experience so far. The press freedom in the United Arab Emirates, I believe when you do the right thing, everything goes smoothly. For you to actually be a journalist, a press journalist in this Middle East, what you should do first is having the license. Once you have your license, you are free to do a whole lot. So I believe it has been a wonderful experience. I came here, I was able to do a lot without
I
any
saw in your page your Dubai experience, and you've been here and there covering, and so how? Wow, this is so beautiful, and it's a big challenge, to people who are in the industry, especially in UAE. You've done a lot of good job. Please keep it up. Please keep it up. And you have been watching live the CEO, 5G Studios, and the person of
Joshua
Esek. Do you have any appreciation, word of appreciation, for your followers, for people who are looking up to you?
Yeah, my word of appreciation to as many to aspiring youths out there is whatever thing you are doing, keep doing it.
What's worth doing at all?
Is worth doing well. So never settle for less, and don't be intimidated like I've been doing a lot, nobody's clapping for you. You are your biggest fan. Keep doing what you are doing. People
doing
are
it.
watching,
Sure.
and I know someday you get to that very place.
Definitely.
That's my advice. And thank you to as many that are following 5D Studios DB Experience. This is just a measure to say thank you. We appreciate it.
All right. And before you go, how can people reach you on the social media or direct contact?
Our social media handle is at 5D Studios, at 5 in figure Studios, and DB Experience, DBX Experience. I believe it's right there on the screen.
Sure,
So
sure.
keep following us. We appreciate you all.
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any on the Facebook?
Oh yeah, our Facebook handle is Josh Esek. Josh Esek, ESEK. Josh Esek.
Wow, it's been a wonderful time with CEO 5G Studios in the house, and please, I want you guys, especially the youth out there who have visions and they don't know how this vision is going to be accomplished. Please contact them and discuss with them. They are always ready to help, and especially they have a whole lot of experiences, to help you achieve your vision. Once again, nice having you on this show.
Pleasure, sir.
Nice having you on this show. Yeah, on this note, we shall be rounding up this episode of One on One with MC Bobby, and see another time that will be coming your way, bringing you another guest or another artist. Keep watching this show and keep supporting us. God bless you. See you another time. Love you. Catch you.